If you're wondering how to export Proof Analytics data to CSV, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know how to access your Proof Analytics data like a pro and get the most out of it for your digital marketing strategies. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can use Proof for free through an exclusive offer in the link below. Not only that, but you'll also get some amazing bonuses just for checking it out. So, if you're looking to streamline your analytics process and improve your marketing efforts, don't miss this opportunity. Now, let's get started with exporting your Proof Analytics data to CSV. First, you'll need to log into your Proof account. Once you're in, head to your dashboard. This is where all your campaign data is displayed. Whether you're tracking visitor behavior, conversion rates, or A/B test results, it's all here. To export your data, look for the Analytics tab in the navigation bar. Click on that to open up all your analytics options. You'll see different reports depending on the data you've collected. These can include performance metrics for pop-ups, campaigns, and much more. Each report provides key insights into your audience's interaction with your site. Once you've selected the report you want to export, find the Export button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the report view. Click that, and a drop-down menu will appear with various export options. Select CSV from the list. The CSV format is perfect for analyzing the data in a spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheets, making it easier to manipulate and visualize your findings. After clicking CSV, the file will automatically download to your computer. Depending on your browser, you might see the download start immediately, or you may be asked where you'd like to save the file. Once it's downloaded, you can open it in your preferred spreadsheet tool. But here's a pro tip. Proof Analytics offers you a lot of customizable filters before exporting your data. You can adjust the date range, select specific campaigns, or even choose to export specific data points. If you're running multiple campaigns or testing different strategies, this is a game changer for organizing and analyzing the data in ways that are meaningful to your business. Now, if you want to dive deeper into your exported CSV file, look at the columns within. You'll find detailed data like the number of visitors, the conversion rate, the number of impressions, and more. This will give you a clear overview of what's working and what needs improvement. You can also combine it with other marketing data to get a fuller picture of your performance. Once you're comfortable with exporting the data, you can integrate it into your broader marketing reports. For example, if you're using Google Analytics or another tool, this CSV export allows you to cross-reference Proof Analytics data, making your reporting much more robust and actionable. By now, you should feel confident in exporting Proof Analytics data to CSV and using it to improve your marketing strategies. And remember, you can get started with Proof completely free using the link in the description below. Plus, you'll get access to some exclusive bonuses that can help you level up your marketing efforts even more. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out the free trial linked below and explore all the amazing features Proof offers. Whether you're a marketer, business owner, or anyone looking to improve their digital marketing, this tool is a game changer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to take advantage of that extended free trial. Your marketing results will thank you.